Hi folks, St. Paul Steaming Machine. I've come up with a little system to quick change the belt from high to low or low to high. And I came up with a 2-lever system. First off, it's easier if you start off with a longer belt. And this is a 3L345 Goodyear belt, and it's just a ½ inch longer than the factory one, which is incredibly tight in the first place. That was a suggestion from Joseph Higgins. By the way, check out his channel. He has a 1-lever quick change setup that works really well. Mine went a different route, but check out Joseph Higgins' channel, just like that. That's his channel name, Joseph Higgins. But anyway, this you have to sacrifice a ½ inch wrench, and then I cut the forks off of the top of it and built up a weld. The forks were surprisingly soft. I couldn't believe how easy it was to cut them off. I built up a weld, and then I kind of ground it down until I kind of come close to a 3/8 inch diameter, and I threaded it. So it's 3/8 16. And I got these knobs. They're war surplus. You got 5 for $10, and I think they were from Amazon, maybe eBay, but I'm pretty sure Amazon. And this is a 3/8 rod that I put a die on the end of it, and also put some threads on it to accept it, 3/8 16 as well. And I've got this rod here, and I bent it and tack welded it onto this bracket. Just tacked about 3 places on each side. Not the prettiest thing, but on this wrench here, you'll have to thin it down just a little bit so that it'll fit the width of that bolt. And then I tap that bolt 6/32 and put a little washer on it to keep it all in place. You don't want it too tight or too loose, so it'll rattle if it's too loose, and too tight it doesn't clamp up quite right. But it's not that big a deal to do. So I've been calling this my 10-second belt change. Let's see if I can do it. Here we go. Ready to count. There you go. It's easy, as quick as that. I wanted it to be toolless on the belt change, and I think we got that. So I appreciate you looking, and hopefully this helps somebody. And have a good day. Bye now.